Morning everybody, welcome back to Strand Farm where we grow independent together. Today, it's a tree felling day. How many trees? As many as we can handle. Which trees? This gigantor. What is this called again, hon?
It's a red oak.
This red oak needs to come down today.
We really enjoy this tree.
It's gotta go this direction. In order for this tree to come down safely, I need to fell these 3 trees over here by our siding pile because they're kind of right in the line of that felling. And once this tree goes, that will make room for these other trees that are the final corners of our to-be-built woodshed. They're gonna fell where this tree currently is standing. Let's get to work. This is almost the maximum size that we can fell with this chainsaw.
See how it's very wide and then it tapers in? What if we cut it? Would it be harder for you to cut it?
Please hold.
Alright, now that these 3 oaks are out of the way, this big daddy oak can come down.
Alrighty, you guys enjoy the show.
Oh, there's a lot of work for us to do here.
I can go down there and try to pull up. That's where
go
the
down there and see what.
that's where the tension is. I'll just get down there and see if I can find a spot. 1, 2, 3. Remember that other chainsaw we for sure thought we broke when it got jammed in that one tree that fell?
We should get another bar.
Yes, we should have another bar and a couple extra chains just in case. Jeez.
The mighty oak has felleth the man.
Oh, I was sitting there limbing and I was like, oh my god, this is just gonna twist off.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to tell you.
I was watching you as I was getting knocked over.
Okay, well. Nice work today. I think we're done.
Phew. Yeah, lesson learned. You start to just go with like a flow and you go beyond like what you intended to do. And then you should stop like you stopped me.
Yeah.
But then you should also listen to your spouse. Were you getting a time lapse?
Yeah.
I wonder if it'll catch it.
Oh my god. I'm so thankful you didn't get hurt. That could have easily been very, very, very bad.